Hi everyone. In this episode of my CapCut tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop and flip a video. As an exercise, I'm going to crop and flip this video and then place it on top of another video to make it like this one. Alright, let's just get started. So the first step is to add the main video to the main track. And then add the second video, which is the one to be cropped, to a track above the main track. Depending on how long the crop video clip is to be shown, you may need to trim it accordingly. Now with the second clip is being selected on the timeline, click the crop tool icon on the timeline's toolbar. On the crop ratio window, first select the desired crop ratio. If you leave it free, you will be able to crop your clip any way you want. Then adjust the size and position of the cropping rectangle on the preview panel to your preference. To get an even better result, if necessary, you may also rotate the video accordingly. Once you are happy with your selection, click Confirm. Now we should have a cropped video clip that is automatically zoomed in to the project screen size or resolution. To adjust the video clip's dimension, click and drag any one of the bounding rectangle's corners, or adjust the scale properties value on the video's basic properties panel. Then simply click and drag the cropped video clip on the preview panel to your preferred location on the screen. And finally, to flip the video clip horizontally, click the mirror button on the timeline's toolbar. Alright, now if we play the video from the beginning, we should have something like the one I showed in the beginning of this video. Alright, so that's how easy it is to crop and flip a video in CapCut for PC. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.